Kwakje de pap. Kwakje de pap. Vandaag is vandaag. Vanand is vanand. Hallo julle. Welkom terug op mijn YouTube channel. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, welcome. In today's video, I'm actually doing an Afrikaans tag. Mind you, I just need to tell you this, guys, I cannot speak Afrikaans. So this is literally a video where I'm going to embarrass myself because I cannot speak Afrikaans, guys. I cannot. I only speak about, let me say, a good 20% of Afrikaans. I only did Afrikaans for 3 years in my primary school, which was back long time ago, more than a decade ago. And I honestly don't even know how I'm going to do today, but yeah, obviously, like, I work with people that speak Afrikaans and surroundings, people speak Afrikaans. I've requested my friends to just send me questions of what they want to hear me speaking in Afrikaans or answering to in Afrikaans. And that's what I'm going to do today. I have my laptop here with me, so I will be embarrassing myself. So let's just get started. The first one. How would you describe yourself or tell us about yourself? Okay, they say 20 words, but I'm just gonna make it 5. So yalla, vandaag is vandaag. Ek is 'n baie 'n mooi meisie. Ek hou van mense. Mense. Ja. Ek hou van movie cake of televisie cake. Ek hou ook van slaap. En ek hou ook van baie goeie ding en goeie goedjies. If that makes sense, guys. I don't know if it makes sense. Let's move on. Tell us your favorite quick recipe and how to make it. Guys, Afrika no man. Okay, ek hou van pap. Nee, ek hou van pap kook. So, as jy wil pap kook, die eerste ding wat jy moet doen is, vat die pot, dan set jy water in die pot, set die pot op die stoof, dan wag vir die water moet 5 of miskien 2 minute warm kry, nee. Dan set jy topskool of maize of iets wat jy gebruik by jou huis. Topskool, ek guys. Ek gebruik topskool by my huis. So dan set jy topskool, nee, dan steer, hey guys, how do you say steer the pot? Is it steer the pot in Afrikaans? I don't even know. Yeah, so dan steer jy die pot, nee, tot die ding is a bit sterk, nee. Dan wacht jy 'n bietjie, miskien 15 tot 20 minute, dan is die ding gerede is, dan set jy nog topskool of mango flour, I don't know what it is. Dan kook jy die pap, how do you say hold on? Jy moet die stick, nee, sterk vang, nee, dan kook jy die pap. Yeah, that is my favorite recipe. Pap, porridge. Where would you like to travel, or what is your favorite destination? Yalla. Ek wil by 'n island gaan, nee, waar daar is baie mense nie, net die see, die blome, free life, where I can, guys, I'm even going in English, yo. Ja, ek wil by 'n island gaan waar die see is, die wit see nie. Nie hierdie see soos ons nie, die wit see waar daai clear see wat jy kan sien alles wat onder is. Soos is Tanzania, Sinus, Zanzibar, Bali, Mozambique, daai see. Dat is wat ek wil sien of ek wil gaan. What do you most look forward to every day? Julle, kan ek hierdie vraag in Afrikaans antwoord? Ek weet nie, honestly, ek weet nie. Alright, ek kyk elke dag, ek kyk van wat ek wil sien is productivity. Ek wil net iets, something new. Ek wil net elke dag 'n nuwe ding maak, nee. 'n nuwe ding doen of 'n nuwe julle. Afrikaans, you guys, like, how do you get to speak Afrikaans? Because it's very, very difficult. Wat ek wil sien elke dag, nee, is net productivity, nee. Ek wil 'n nuwe ding maak elke nuwe dag, nee. Every day is, you even see on my intro, it says every day is a new beginning. That's what I want, like, leer iets elke dag, doen 'n nuwe ding elke dag. Ja, en of course make friends, maak vriende elke dag. Vriende, yeah. Let's move on. If I could have power for 24 hours, what will it be and why? Power, magte of iets. As ek magte kry nie, of kan ek hê? Die eerste ding wat ek wil doen is maak almal healthy. If it makes sense, healthy. Maak almal healthy. Almal wat siek is, hulle sal healthy wees, nee. Dan maak almal healthy en maak die wêreld 'n beter plek, if that makes sense. En maak alles almal rich is like what? Rich. Make everybody rich. So I'll probably have 2 powers, ne? So hoekom? Ons is nou besig met COVID-19. Wat ander kan jy doen as jy magte kry? Maak almal healthy. That is wat ek sal doen. Maak almal healthy. Ja? Move on to the next question. If I was offered an opportunity to relocate to an island for a job, where would I go? Ja, ek sal gaan. Die eerste island wat ek sal gaan is Bali. Dit is my gunstig, what is favorite? Gunstig, I don't know. Dit is my droomplek, is baie mooi. Or maybe just the pictures that voel as, but dit lyk mooi. Ek wil daar gaan werk. Ek sal nie mind nie, okay? Ek stak met die woorde. Ek weet nie meer die woorde nie. Ek wil net onder die bed gaan. Jy kry my, jy ken wat ek sê. Kan jy verstaan? Guys, kan jy verstaan Afrikaans? Ek is belangrik, jy is belangrik, ons is almal belangrik. Alright. Kan jy hoor? Kan jy vir my hoor? Ja? Let's move on to the next question. Ek hou van jou. Alright. What is your favorite Afrikaans movie or series or soapie? My gunsteling, is it gunsteling ook guys? My favorite, my gunsteling, my gunsteling movie wat ek het geniet is, gekyk en geniet het, is Alles wat mal is. Ek sal 'n klip hierso sit, nee.
Toe ek 18 jaar oud was ek
Sommer jy sal die denk ek ook is baie mooi. Alles wat mal is. Alright? Okay, moving on. Can I count in Afrikaans up to 10? Ja, ek kan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I can. I still remember from school. What colors you know in Afrikaans? Rooi, groene, wit, swart, bruin. Yeah, those are the only ones I know. 5. When you go out, what do you mostly spend your time on? Alright julle, ek hou van uitgaan nee. Ek hou van partykeer, ek hou van alles wat mooi is, nee. So die ding wat ek vat lang om te doen of maak as ek wil uitgaan is my make-up. My make-up en klere wat ek trek aan die dag nee, is ook baie is baie hard om te besluit watter klere ek moet trek aan die dag. Ja. Besluit, die klere besluit ek is om. Alright, ek sukkel met klere besluit. As ek die dag uitgaan, ek weet nie wat klere om te trek aan nie, dan ek staan daar net by die carpet, nee, dan ek kyk, ek sit hierdie ene aan, trek het af, sit another, is another word, another. Yeah, but you get the point. Guys, Afrikaans, you people that can speak Afrikaans, I salute you. I salute you because, it's very difficult. Next question. Name 5 vegetables in Afrikaans. Julle vegetables. Aardappel. That's all. Only aardappel because I see it being written on the potato sack there. Aardappel. That's it. Nothing more, nothing less. Say 80. 80 in Afrikaans. 80 in Afrikaans is 80. 80. 88. 88. 80. Like a quick story, nee. The first time I heard 80 was 80, I was like, as in what? What? 80. Afrikaans for you, honey. Afrikaans for you. So guys, this is where we end for today. I hope you're going to laugh. You're going to laugh, definitely. I've embarrassed myself. I've now told people that I cannot speak Afrikaans, and this is how bad it is. Thank you for watching my Afrikaans tag. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't laugh at me. This is not my mother tongue. Afrikaans is my monde se taal. Just busy insulting myself here. So thank you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Mwah. I love you all. Okay, some words I know a little bit here and there, but it's just that I think sometimes when someone is I can understand perfectly when someone is talking, not perfectly, yeah. Yo, I'm lying. I can understand, especially when it's like simple Afrikaans. I can understand, or a person that speaks slowly, not too fast. I can understand, but I cannot respond back. I can say ja, is alright meneer. Hoe gaan het meneer? Hoe gaan het mijn vrouw? Ek is alright ook. Het julle mooi geslaap? Môre julle, môre almal. Môre tannie, môre oma, môre niggie, môre pa, môre ma. But I cannot say like that. Some words are just so hard to say. And the R and the G, those are the difficult, especially for Ngajera girl. Maybe if I was in Donga, because I know Dongas are very good with the maybe if I was in Donga, I would speak proper Afrikaans. Ek trek aan a jersey, want winddoek is baie koud. Alright, winddoek is baie koud. So I'm even wearing this cowgirl hat. And mind you guys, on this was so, you know, the way they were speaking Afrikaans.